relationship, ito yung parang kayo, pero hindi. You treat each other in a special way, but no commitments involved. Walang nanligaw, walang sinagot. We're more than friends, but less than lovers. Hindi ka sure sa role mo sa buhay niya. And you can't expect na sa'yo ba talaga siya. Minsan, sila yung mag-ex na mahal pa rin ang isa't isa. Minsan naman, mahal nila yung isa't isa, pero hindi pa rin pwede. In a relationship pa kasi yung isa. Kaya, it's complicated talaga. Minsan naman, testing lang. Try lang kung mag-work out. Sabi nila, mas okay na daw yun. Kasi, wala kang obligasyon. Wala kang obligasyon. Wala ka din naman karapatan. Pwede just continue to love someone, no matter what it takes, no matter how painful the situation is. Because to feel what love is the most sacred feeling God gave to us. So the relationship, mahirap, komplikado, pero masaya. Yun naman yung importante, di ba? The reason why it is hard to be happy is because we find it hard to let go of the things that makes us sad. If love fails, set yourself free. Let your heart spread its wings and fly again. Remember, you may find love and lose it, but when it dies, you never have to die with it. Everybody deserves a true love. You just have to wait until the moment